iitori zabo nazo zabo Jesu ziyafana. I mean bokwabafundisi bebalo no Jesu mongalifunda kahle iBhayibheli. It was never the heathens.
No, abaFarisi they had the law of Moses.
Yeah.
You
I don't know
understand?
if I'm wrong ngalento engizoyikhuluma.
Yeah.
Wena ucala ukuyibona lento osoyikhuluma.
No, recently.
Yeah.
But I think this year
And I'm proud
it
because
makes
you
a
know
lot
why?
of sense, man.
Yeah.
No.
I'm proud because kune change la kuwe from our first kuya ngaye mina ngimuzwe njalo uyangiunderstanda uNkulunkulu mkhulu kunamadlozi nobunyanga which is true.
Yes.
But angathi ayikho lento yasebunyangeni and naye wenza njengawo lamazithi sesiwabona athi yeah ezethi bathi azibaluma izinja babalekele esontweni ngangicula nami leyo ngoma is what Skhotheni is doing kimihlayi ngamoya
Bathi balume dinja.
yeah barathi balume dinja yona ikhona leyo ngoma
Ukuthi nize nibuye. Vele le ngoma iculelwa lokho. Noma neyicula nje for
let me
joy.
explain it is not about joy. It's more like saying le bandla lihlulwa ilutho. You understand?
Okay.
Bangalunga amabhubezi bayenzeni mabeze la kuyophela konke.
Okay, it's the other way. Kahle. Okay.
Yabona
Lothi kunjani?
Ngiright big.
All right.
Nice.
Amnandi namhla isithu.
Yeah.
Akunama debate angaphili.
Yeah.
Lothi yini wrong that we are not getting. Ngizoqala nje nge Nazaretha the church than to see I honestly for me now no, I don't like the way people, I think the people are not being honest. Abungokubhesha, maybe others are doing it for their own selfish reasons, I don't know, but surely there's something esiyimisayo about ngizoqala manje ngoshembe ukuthi like yini le abantu abangafuni ukuyi-understand or it's out of jealousy.
Some it's out of jealousy, some it's out of lack of knowledge. Right? Kunombhalo uthi uJesu wayethi makahlika intaba wayeqhwalelwa izizwe zizomamela izwi likaNkulunkulu lelo Jesu bekabatshela lona. Shembe is also doing it. Akusukuthi kahle ushembe ozondiwe nanoma bokuyimi nanoma bokuwe they were gonna act ngalendlela ba acta ngayo because it is the exact same way ebeba acta ngayo nangale nkathi lezinto zisayenza uJesu Kristu. You understand? Abantu balwa nomoya abalwe nomuntu. Umoya ukaze wamukeleke ebantwini.
Period.
Yeah, that is why iBhayibheli lithi if you friends with the heavens you are an enemy with the world. Mawungakhethwa izulu waba nomoya ingcwele kaNkuluNkulu umhlaba ngeke uku-embrace. Ayiqali ngabo shembe. You understand? And uzongiqolela ukukususa kancane ku topic.
Akunankinga.
There's being spiritual, ne?
Yeah.
And there's also being biblical. But iBhayibheli indaba zikamoya obviously. Uyazi ukuthi if uzofuna ukuba deep biblically spiritual nokulahleka.
Okay.
Because iBhayibheli incwadi yemilando of spiritual people. Kwalotshwa phansi ukuthi this is what Jesus did, this is what he said, Jeremiah and the others. But mistake ngiphendula le question ukuthi yini le wrong esiyenza yanamhlanje ukuthi sifuna ukuba biblical more than being spiritual, forgetting that ukuze le Bible libe khona letho umoya because zonke izinto ezibhalwe lapha zibhalwe abantu bakamoya nalabo abangabhalanga ababhale ngabo abantu bakamoya ba invented that book. Angazi you understand na so asisakwazi ukukhula emoyeni, asisakwazi ukushaya amanzi avuleke, asisakwazi ukwenza imihlolo yalezi zinto esizifunda lapha because thina manje asisekho spiritual, we are deep biblically. If aboMoses bayoshaya amanzi wavuleka why ningasayenzeki? Sesinqike kuBhayibheli siyekela lo moya.
But angithi iBhayibheli imele kube a guiding tool.
Yeah, it's a guiding tool, but to men it's no longer a guiding tool. Sokunkulunkulu wabantu iBhayibheli liphenduka unkulunkulu wabantu. Bheki intshumayelo ziyafana and it doesn't make sense because masibantu bamoya kumele kube nendlela uNkulunkulu asikhombisa izinto ngakhona which differs. Ngizokenzela example. uNkulunkulu wawudalelana izulu nomhlaba.
I don't know. Yes.
Kamnandi, right?
Uthathole representation futhi emhlabeni.
Is that happening?
Okay, bakhona abantu
It's not happening. I'll make you an explicit example.
It's not happening.
It's not. Makafuna ukuqeda umhlaba. Wayekwatisa ukuthi siyona. Kodwa bathi amehlo wakhe wathi mawahlikela la emhlabeni wathola ukuthi kunendoda ebathunuwa ebekaphila ngendlela eyifuna uyena. Because of uNuwa umhlaba wakwazi ukusaveka and he killed everyone. Noah wathatha umndeni wakhe nezilwane wazifaka escapeni. Uyakhumbula? Yalungisa leyo nto. Sisamoshana namhlanje. Uyazi ngifuna ukuba spiritual and also ngithathe iBhayibheli as a reference. Uyazi ukuthi injongo kaNkulunkulu kahle kahle mase sikhuluma iqiniso ifailile.
Osho.
And akekho umfundisi ozoyisho lento le ngoba bayasaba abanye.
Ifeyile kanjani? uNkulunkulu I think uyayithanda ichaos. Mina ngokubona kwami. Yeah. I think umuntu asumuntu is this divine energy ethanda ukubonakala out of chaos. You understand? I think even this chaotic thing makes
mara kwakungeyona injongo yakhe le. We can't say uyayithanda ichaos if ungasinjongo yakhe. Iphutha elayenza uNkulunkulu njengoba nithakana amaphutha was to create into something mina nawe in his image. Phezu kwaloko ayinikeza amandla ukuthi ibe ne free will. iBhayibheli lithi noNkulunkulu uthi yimi engimele nginikeze impilo yimi engimele ngibulale. Awukwazi ukuzala bheki. Uyakwazi. Awukwazi ukubulala bheki. Uyakwazi. Izinto bokumele zenze uNkulunkulu ayi-one.
Bekumele zibe exclusive.
Yeah. But today we are able to give birth. We are able to even kill. It's because of science wangumfanekiso wakhe sanikezwa ifree will. Iphutha lakhe elikhulu kwakuziyenza yena because as much as sinenyama yingakangakwazi ukusilawula iqiniso silikhulume akakwazi ukusilawula uNkulunkulu. Akakwazi ukusilawula.
Uyakwazi because usebenzisa iBhayibheli ukusilawula amasonto.
Bayingakho abalithukayo abangalifuni.
Amasonto enziwe and there are structure sesonto it's biblical. Okay, although noma ba manipulate certain scriptures.
Lo mfundisi oreyibhile esontweni beka under icontrol kaNkulunkulu. Akakwazi ukusilawula because sifana naye
uNkulunkulu.
Okay. Yabona if he created us not in his image njengezilwane so.
Because zona sakhona ukumlalela.
And ibhubezi liyaluma but ungakwazi ukulijova ulenze nje isiphukuphuku.
No sengisho nama plants uyabona njoba kuzoba ispring manje azoba
actor
like that.
Mina nawe asinandalo because we are gods with a small alphabet G. Ingako we are always challenging and opposing uNkulunkulu.
But maybe that's why ilentozana were made in his image in any case. So I think that's why maybe ezinye izinto also naye uNkulunkulu also gave Moses the ability to be a god and then Aaron to be a prophet. Also that, but ngisekutheni, are we questioning lamasonto lawa who pull big numbers because vele we question the creator ngendlela enza izinto ngakhona?
Yeah, ngizwe kahle. It's not about the churches.
Yeah.
Kahle kuliwa noNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Ngayenza example with famous people. Kanye West is a hip hop artist owayithandelo. Mara since he started saying Jesus is my Lord, my Savior,
kwaba nenkinga.
It's not him they are fighting.
Yeah, ngoba nami ngiyibuza lento like surely there's something abantu abayibonayo. Like ngithathe ngibeke njenge as a politician, if abakuvoteli you can't say bayagula abantu. Icabanga abantu abayi 60 million abavoteli wena uyi1, you can't say bayagula. Surely there's something wrong now. So angeke abantu abayi what is the number yeshembe nzithi I think it's somewhere 20 million.
Yeah.
Ngeke abantu abayi 20 million follow
intengeko.
And then wena uyi1 or ni 50 ni right nini. We understand?
Yeah, and another typical example, angeke ireligion yeChristianity benkulu kangaka kungukuthi lo Jesu bathi fiction akazange abe khona. It's the most attacked religion. Surely there's something ekhonenzakalayo lapha. No, I agree with you. We understand? Yeah, that's why ngibuza ukuthi there's something we're not getting right. Yeah. About the big churches. Yeah. Especially African big churches. Yeah. There's something we're not getting right. And ukungayitholi kwethu right lento leyo, look where we are as a nation in Africa. Yabona, that's why ngiyibuza ukuthi like you'd find someone speaking, I talk neinyanga eziningi and they always make, and ngibe specific ukuthi bayeza nabazalwane kuwe. But no, instead kuzushembe or athi abayeza abazalwane but kuzushembe neZCC. A lot game it's out of glory, ufuna ukubonakala or uyini. Uyabona? So ba criticize kanje balwa noNkulunkulu and also one fame in it. Yeah. And abanye it's just ungabi ne-understanding ukuthi what is going on, because I'm one of those. Yeah. Before ngivuleka ngisho siyavuka. Yeah. What is going on? Yes. Before ngivuka nami ngangitshela ukuthi ayazikho lezi zinto kuyadlalwa, uyabona labantu banenyoka, uyabona wena bheki ngizokutshela iqiniso, if inyoka ka babulkhanyani weZCC ya exista kumampela, someone else must have access to it. If ushembe unenyoka ya exista kumampela, someone else must have access to it. So uqoqo, they are anointed people, standards ngathanda. Period. Yeah, because itori zabo nazo zabo Jesu ziyafana. I mean, boko abafundisi bebalo no Jesu mongalifunda kahle iBhayibheli. It was never the heathens. No, abaFarisi they had the law of Moses. Yeah. You understand? Yes. So bamtshela ukuthi umthetho uthi baze bathi awuyona indodana kaNkulunkulu wena. Yilezi zinto ebazisho nanalaba basesekhona manje ukuthi but no, manje wasezithi siyakusiwa kaNkulunkulu bebasho kuJesu man. You understand? So it goes with the package of being a chosen one. Unfortunately, you'll always be attacked. Yeah. By people who think are chosen. Exactly. Because our attack kwa umuntu oyihlelele taveni, but attack kwa umuntu ohamba ngeBhayibheli, egcoka ijoyini or some pastor azenze isermon with. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. Yeah, ukuthi ke asikubona izinto on another dimension. Sekele ukuzibona ngendlela engathi one kanje. Yeah, I don't know if I'm wrong ngale things uyikhuluma. Yeah. wena ucala ukuyibona lento oseyikhuluma
no, recently.
Recently, ne?
Yeah, no, but yeah, I think this year
And I'm proud
it
because
makes
you
a
know
lot
why?
of sense, man. ukuthi-
Yeah.
No.
I'm proud because I'm gonna change la kuwe from our first episode. No, I am proud. I
Yeah.
don't wanna lie. And
Yeah.
that's spiritual growth. Yazi umoya wena bheki awukhuliswa kuphela ukuthi uyafasta. But sometimes kunento ukuthi umuntu mangathi nicoca nor niyicocela yavula some senses, spiritual senses engcondweni. I'm proud ukuthi uyayirealize and enye futhi inkinga ekhona it's politics. Bafuna ukuwafaka la kuma religion, you understand, so that masiloku sikhwebhana sodwa the elite continue being powerful. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah, so sisentweni eyi-1 and I'm proud ukuthi namhlanje sikwazi ukukhuluma kanje kube ngazuthi siyavumelana futhi siplanile singaplananga yabona.
Yeah.
Kwawena khona abantu abangakufuneli whatever it is that you are doing spiritually. Fana nama TikTok ngakhuluma izinto ezifanayo mara omunye athole 1000 likes. Omunye athole 100k likes mara mothi mamela lezi zinto ziyafana into eyi-1. You understand? So kumele sibone nangathi ukuthi mara if ngangilandela abantu abayi-20 million kulabo makhwelana bamjalo mangiyesontweni ngiphethe iBhayibheli bathi hey lo usenza ngathi wazi uNkulunkulu. Le 3-4 could have been the millions ukuthi aboshembe nabo babulikhanyana nabo mudisa abo vilakazi beJericho bajajwa ngakhona. So kubhlungu ukubona umuntu ojaja isiphiwe somunye umuntu and uthi uyambheka uthola ukuthi naye unaso and sisesendleleni yokukhula kusasa nasebayenza yena I feel like isiphukuphuka feel like umuntu ongahlakaniphanga ukuthi mara lesa sikhathi ngilokungibhizi ngobheki bengazi ukuthi kuzoba yimi namhlanje uyabona thina singena iZCC silithuka sidlala ngamasiyoni sithi bagcoka iporiana uyabona le yeah you understand but namhlanje yithi and we understand it sibukeka njengezilimo you understand so ingaki iBhayibheli lithi ungajudge ngoba kwawena awukho perfect.
Kwawena ukho perfect.
Yeah, kwawena ukho perfect.
And angeke like i-judgment yakho
i-change into uNkulunkulu afuna yenze.
Yeah, and ibe ngcono kunayo kunabantu abangaka. Asikhulumeni iqiniso.
Yeah, yona.
No, asikhulumeni iqiniso without wanting a number. But we have to agree. No. No, asikhulumeni iqiniso ukuthi yeah no noma sekushiwo ukuthi yeah khona nizwani lothi what level of comfort do you get from being in these big churches? Surely the leader yeZCC maybe spiritually uyakwazi but physically I don't think uyakwazi. But and I don't think ufila ngathi special ulaphayana uvulelwa ini but surely there's something elokubuyisa lapha noma maybe uzobona umuntu oyi-1 namhlanje omunye uyamgcina lelo langa lelo but kunalento lokubuyisa kanengi. What level of love do you get esontweni?
More especially ethi ngikhulume ngelami isonto iZCC ne into engishaya ngayo kakhulu mina ukuthi ayina bandlululo.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu orisha akekho umuntu ohluphekile masesontweni.
Yeah.
You don't even have to be rich or affording ukuthi uthole ama service wesonto lethu. And also iZCC it's a psychological church. Yabona?
Okay.
Ke ngicoca istory sami bheki. Mina mangena lela sonto abantu abaningi bebathi asithi mzala because ngihlushwa imimoya emibi ngapha ngihlelisiwa kaNkulunkulu. I don't know why I'm being attacked spiritually via izinto zabo voodoo and stuff. ZCC healed me free of charge. Yathi mayiceda ukungipholisa yangipha namandla ukuthi ngiyenze kwabanye phambili. ZCC ukhona ukungena uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uyicelela imithandazo yezandla uyathengisa eshop or whatever uyithola uthengisa nomuntu oyiminister noma oyinto enkulu umkhulume like normal people kusasa umbone TV uya understand equality elapha akunakuthi ubani uyini ubani akasiyini and ayikho into emnandi njengokuba sesontweni elipholisayo bheki because uNkulunkulu is a God of healing. Angazi kusuke kenzakalani kwamanye amaZion Christian Church members if mhlambe anenkinga noma gula ayithole sekayofuna usizo elsewhere outside Zion Christian Church because iyayikhona lento leyo and healing into ngeke ungene ulwethu uyithenge. You understand? So lela sonto lisinikeza uNkulunkulu mananoma ungafuna ukulijikela uyenzeni angeke ulunge but inkinga yabantu ibayi1 la kunoNkulunkulu esikhathini esiningi indaba zeimali nani uNkulunkulu akanandaba nazo lezo zinto but kuba ibonus makathandile kunikezwe yabona. So a lot of people but nabangenile maybe ba suffer financially they start doing zona lezi zinto zokuyibhesha for likes, for trying to better their lives, you understand? Because I've seen many podcasts abantu bakhuluma the way lisonto laka Satan ngakhona and convincing people ukuthi I was one of them, I know. Yeah,
that's what I'm against.
Yeah.
I can take umuntu ongakaze waya and speak whatever. But I have a problem nomuntu osuka whether it's Shembe, Jericho, or Mdise, or St. John's, and then akaphume abe atheist, uphuma into another faith system, and then athi le enguyu iyo ke manje hayi la ngisuka khona. I don't respect such characters.
Yeah, and because ZCC is the largest in the continent, akuba ngazuthi lezehlekalo lezi zenzeka ZCC kuphela. I saw ugogo Skhotheni aku podcast abhesha ubunyanga kabuhlungu kabi. That's immaturity. Ngesizulu ubuphuku. Ma ubona ngazuthi into yakuhlula yeke uqale entsha ungayikhulumi kabi
uyithulele.
Yeah, bathina abantu uSkhotheni beka abanikeza imithi maseka khuluma songo bunyanga and uma ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuyadlalwa angisho uma usiza umuntu uyakubhadala abantu ebasiza uSkhotheni ngemithi kumele ngabe bamcashela inkabi ukuthi beka lo kasidlala sonke lesikhathi. So ukhona ukubona ukuthi it's just immaturity
spiritual.
Yeah, ufile ukuthi angisakhona ubunyanga ngifuna ukusileya whatever the reason might be. Yakela ungabukhulumi kabo ubunyanga. So ukuze ngenze example ngoSkhotheni is because she's one of the famous people indabeni zobunyanga to ubuKristu ne. The reason ngenze example ukuthi kwase ZCC is the same thing. Umuntu sekayeka isonto lesiyoni sekakhuluma the way standards inyoka angakaza ayibona azathi wena uyibonile yabona. So ayenzeki kuphela la iZion Christian Church izinto zama betrayers, bitter former members. Simbonile uSkhotheni mina angisabi futhi ngiyakhuluma straight. Lento ayikhulumile ngobunyanga ngikaze ngibe inyanga mina. Angadvocatele inyanga bokuphuku
bokubhesha
yeah, labantu abanikeze imithi
nalaba ama sentiments wakhathini manje uthi access into engasekho.
Yeah, uthi into yobusathane ngokuya ngaye mina ngimuzwe njalo uya understand uNkulunkulu mkhulu kunamadlozi nobunyanga which is true.
Yes.
But angathi ayikho lento yasebunyangeni and naye wenza njengawo lamaZCC esiwabona athi ya eZCC bathi azibalumi izinja babalekele esontweni ngangicula nami leyo ngoma is what Skhotheni is doing kimihlayi.
Yeah.
So uthini ngeimpilo zabantu ebekabanikeza imithi ebekabalahlela amathambo phansi ebaphole bebamthengela imoto akusuSkhotheni lo asatrenda ku Facebook ebekakhomba gifts of cars athi my happy client akazibuyisele ke amtshela ukuthi bhuti kahle kahle leyanto leya bozovela uyithole le moto ubunyanga bukho angisho ukuthi abukho. You understand? So abantu kwasemjolweni niyathandana nithemizana izulu nomhlaba mase nihlukana sakutshela ukuthi ubheka unepipe elincane hey ubheka akakwazi ukuyenza embedeni. You understand? So ikhona nala indabeni kamoya
bathi balume dintsha.
Yeah, barathi balume dintsha. Yona ikhona leyo ngoma
ukuthi nize nibuye vele le ngoma iculelwa lokho noma neyicula nje for
let me explain it. It's not about joy. It's more like saying le bandla lihlulwa ilutho. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Bangalunywa amabhubezi bayenzeni mabeze la kuyophela konke.
Oh, okay. It's the other way. Okay.
Yabona balume dimpya bachabele Sioni. Kusho ukuthi mawuze Sioni amasiyoni ayithembe ngalendlela ukuthi noma abadoctor bathusele nga 7 days uyashona bangazama ukumconvince uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi yoketsa amatsathi yabo phila
ne.
So ngibona lo baba omdala and mina ibabhlungu into mangibona abadala kanje bakhuluma izinto eziso ngiyayibuza ukuthi emakwabo kenzakalani. Uyabona baba omdala uhleli ku podcast ukhuluma lezi zinto ayikhulumayo ibhlungu because kumele sibonele kibo. You understand? That is why angesikhuluma amagama kunomunye futhi nayo baba uthanda ukubhesha ushembe kakhulu omzalwane ohamba le podcast ka Gift azathuka inhlamba athuka intanga yakhe ehleli nabantwana so asadinga ukumamela into ayizwayo uyasikhomba ukuthi uyinhloboni kaPendi because if ngizothi ngimdala kuwe ungibona njengobaba bese ngithuka intanga yami phambi kwakho mara ngithi ngino Jesu ayisayenzi sense automatically by just looking at what's happening here. We understand? So batho ba tisenula mara go ya ka bona ba bona o kare ba expose modimo ka pa dikereke mara batho ba tisenula
into engisho ukuthi like benga into benga understand uyabona if it was two parties like this, this one is saying this one is also saying, but the other one is quiet. Woo nje. Still from labo futhi we must think right. We must think right.
Yeah.
No, has been honest.
Yeah. No, namhlanje angikhasa. Wena lokuhlatshwa ngemimesa uhlabi ibheke.
Awuhlabi ibheke and ulwelani. Yini lo ilwelayo? Yini le odistepeka kuyi? uPaul bekalwa nabo Diana because uDiana was fighting against abo Paul. You understand? No one is fighting anyone out of boredom. Ukubhoreka nje. And then bese
and into ebhlungu baby. I'm sorry because you are my brother as well. Uyabona? Akusukuthi ngiyanibhesha, uyabona? Iyaba khona beef kaMbhoro noBushiri. Basebenzisa imethod eyi-1 babazalwane bonke. But to these African Christian churches ezibheshiwa kabuhlungu kanje akaze kube nebeef ye-IPCC ne-ZCC. Akaze kube nebeef yamaNazareth namaJericho. Akaze futhi kube nala ubishop we-IPCC akhulume kabi ngobishop we-ZCC. But laba abaloku bathi ngasathane la phumani lapho balwa babodwa baphinde balwe nanathi abana peace mara they always saying peace be unto you. Angazwe ngiunderstand na. So bazoyizwa but still bazofuna ukuyibracketa because yazi umoya omubi mawukumbathile bheki sometimes kumele uthi mawuthandaza nawe uyithandazise ukuthi lo moya omubi kaSathane ungiyeke because sometimes ukwazi ukungena umoya kaSathane ungaziboni you understand uyakungena umoya kaSathane uyenza izinto zaSathane mara wena uyitshela ukuthi usendleleni eright
kona lokhu kusuka ezweni nje
you understand
udile nemuntu imele uqala ukubona lapho ukuthi unless asiphikisane scripturally ke as decide that route but nje yokuzokhuluma 20 million bahlanya bonke
baphinde bangalwi bodwa bona
how can someone command 20 million with peace ngihlezi ngibona uShembe aya entabeni I don't see police there I don't see soldiers akunayibhama akuna next makune order like order so bahlanya
elamhlanje ngimbulala abahlanyi
no ezinye izinto mele mele siyibheke ukuthi yazini nena hayi noma ngabe kwenzakalani
it's just that vele sifakwele engqondo ukuthi ukuba rich khambelana nobusathane wathi and I always argue leyo ndaba ukuthi mara masizothu umuntu orishi shuthi izinto zakaSathane shuthi sithi uNkulunkulu akanama power wokuyenza abantu rich. The reason I'm saying this is because labo Patrice Motsepe, Cyril Ramaphosa, your late Nelson Mandela's
ubona ngene mangusuthu Buthelezi
ubone bangena kaShembe aqhawula uShembe isandla athi ngizocela imithandazo umbona ngene ZCC ubabone bahamba lama IPCC okusho ukuthi bayiphukuphuku kuloku kuyinkosi kwama president kithi ohlakaniphile yimi lo hleli la ku podcast ngingaziwa umuntu engwazi bana lenoga bathandaza inyoka guys no nangeke bezokulay shoot angeke
wena hlakanipha ukudlula uMandela FW de Klerk the late umntwana akaphinda ngene abo Jacob Zuma they are still going to queue to all these churches
yimi kuphela ono Jesu noNkulunkulu weqiniso nina nilahlekile amagama shuthi yimi kuphela
uwe kuphela nje ono Jesu
le 20 million le likes no mara nokubona kuma comments kancane bayaguquka abanye yabona kunomunye isisi ungilande private wangiscreenshothela ama comments beka comment wathi angithi ngiyongena esontweni la kabani la ngikhona ngiyahlala mara phinde bhuti mina ungibone ngiqheka elinye isonto and through la mashooting wayenzayo I've learned a lot and ayikho into ekwazi ukuphaphamisa abantu njengamazwi kancane bheki bazos understand njengoba ngijabula ukubona nawe namhlanje understand uyabona and I always knew ukuthi uzo understand because angisho ukuthi nohleli nabantu uyasenza uze ukuthi inkohlakalo noma ukufuna ukwazi last ngiposte kakhulu la ku status sami siloku sishuta ngikhohlwe nje ne caption ebengifuna ukuyishaya ukuthi best una very good interviewing skills very good and continue doing this Makai it has to take you somewhere it's a must you understand ubu leader uzalwa nabo bheki and ufakazi bendaba bokuthi you are indeed a leader you are open to correction or ukuboniswa inkosi yakaZulu hayi lo manje man ubabakhe ne bombona